what is creatine? Creatine has stood the test of time and rigor of science with about a quarter century of clinical testing in the lab and field testing in gyms around the world. Synthesized in the liver from arginine, methionine, and glycine, and taken in a diet in high concentrations from meat and fish, it's the ideal supplement for strength and power athletes. This is because it is rapidly taken up and stored in skeletal muscle, where it provides much needed high energy creatine phosphate to supply muscles with the substrates to make adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is energy for muscle contractions. Having elevated creatine stores in the muscle promotes dramatic increases in strength and power during explosive and extended performances with less time needed for rest. Increased creatine phosphate levels also buffer or reduce muscle acidity that occurs when you perform high repetition exercises or sports where you go all out for extended periods. Under these conditions, your body gets its ATP for energy systems that don't require oxygen. And most of us know that going out for this long leads to lactic acid buildup and a loss of muscle power. This loss of power is primarily due to lactic acid's inhibitory effects on a rate-limiting enzyme for glycolysis that results in decreased energy output. The muscle acidity lowering effect of creatine supplementation will allow ATP production to go at top speed and enable you to perform longer at maximum effort.